Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify Alipay account without an international passport, right? So here we are into the Alipay account here, and basically if you want to verify you will find option of login on the top right. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to enter your email address as well as your password, right? So guys, once you have signed in into your Alipay account, then they will ask you to verify your account, right? So here they will ask you to sign up a product. So if you have already choose a product, then it's great. Now, if you don't have an international or national passport, what you will do? So here you will have a different kind of documents to submit. Basically, it is your country identification document. It could be national ID, driver license, resident permit, or other local accepted IDs, right? So then once you have submitted the document of your national identity, then you have to submit your photo, which will be your passport photo here, and then you have to enter your personal details, which basically consideration of full name, date of birth, and ID number, and nationality, right? And then you have to double check each and everything, and that's it. So in this way you can just verify your Alipay account, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.